funnel cloud and debris cloud. We have to move. Not in a good spot.
That's a funnel, yeah.
Oh, that was close. Okay, hold on. It's still there.
Yep. Are you? That's the tornado, yeah.
Yeah. Try to keep it as steady as you can. All right, Derek. Don't say you never saw anything now.
It's getting big. Look at that funnel.
Okay, we got South Road here. Let's keep going south.
Yeah, I don't think we want to go that way just yet.
It's like dirt road, but that's okay.
But that freaked out the top.
Is it still there?
Yeah. Well, yeah, it is. The funnel's still there, and I don't know if there's debris on the ground anymore.
Yeah, we get just past. Yeah, funnel.
Where?
Hit it. Hit record. Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Yeah, don't zoom in too far.
Okay, I'll zoom out. Okay, so
Oh.
if it's
Yeah,
that
see the
close,
funnel?
should we turn around now?
No.
Okay.
This is great.
No, it's not like coming right at us, is it?
No.
Good. And it's not going to unexpectedly change directions either. I hope not.
You videoing?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Why don't you mount it? Yeah, that's fixing to be a big tornado there.
Do you have a camera out, Derek?
Yeah.
Good. Let's see what flashes.
Big. Yeah, this is gonna be a big. This is gonna be good.
Hey, it's another funnel.
See the whole bowl shape. There's a whole bowl shape
See
there.
another funnel? See?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Tornado.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there it is.
All the way to the ground.
That's really nice.
Nice strong rotation too.
It's starting to... Derek, you get it? Good. Getting hit with cold rain. Derek, can you... Whoa, that was big. There's a big lightning strike behind us. Derek, can you close your window, please? I'm getting pelted with rain. Sorry.
Yeah. Go ahead and roll it up right now.
Thank you. I don't see it anymore. That was really nice, though. Another funnel. A little tiny one. Maybe. No, that's...
Oh, another one right there. See it? Debris on the ground.
Yeah, I see it. It's just kind of a little
Yeah.
ropey one.
Right on the ground.
It's kind of small, but it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. I can see it. Wish I could zoom in more with this stupid camera. It's still there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you can see it. It's starting to... There's another funnel over there trying to... Unless it's the same one.
Same one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, there, yeah, you can see it really... You can see it now.
I don't know how many times that water tower has almost been hit by tornadoes.
It's still there.
That water tower has been in many, many tornado videos. Okay, we got reposition
Okay.
before we get cut off. There may be a tornado in there just in the rain.
It looks looks like there's something rotating on the
Like
ground
right there,
over there.
right there,
Yeah.
right there. See it?
Oh, yep.
See it, Derek? Right there.
Can you see it? It's right,
Right
there.
there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't think I can shot it.
Oh, that was kind of...
Yeah.
I just got lightning. Oh, that was really good.
Fact.
You gonna go outside?
Tornado. On the east side of Pampa. I think it's outside of Pampa, but just barely. Yeah. I think I still see it in there. I still see the shape in there. Yeah. That's close. It's getting rain wrapped again. A lot of motion around this thing. There's a lot of circulation. There's a lot of motion there. A lot of motion. That could be a big tornado.
I know. I mean, I'm looking at
You see
it.
that?
Yeah, I do.
There's a lot of motion in the rain curtains.
God, Derek, can you close your window?
Something hit you?
Yeah, it's getting really cold. Now the car was sleeping. I swear there's gonna be a big tornado in there.
Starting to open up again. Yeah, it's still in there. See it?
No. I don't. Wait, yeah, now I do.
There's a cone in there.
I see it now. Right there. You really can't see it over here, but it's right. Right there.
Yeah, in fact, is that debris? Oh, it's still in there.
Yeah, I can still see it. It's
Yeah.
still there. I cannot see it.
Steve! Hey, I thought you were supposed to be home. Okay, you do know that there's a tornado on the east side of, just east of Pampa. Okay. Yeah. It is intermittent. I mean, it just came down. It just went up. It's whoa. Sorry about that. Rapid rotation. There's a cone funnel above, embedded in the rain around this thing, so it makes it really hard to see. Yeah, right on the east side of Pampa. All right. Okay, we got to reposition again. This thing is going almost due south.